Welcome back to MA211. Let's just go over some things that are not quite syllabus things, but are things that are specific to this being an online class. Class officially begins on Monday, June 3rd. That's probably today for most of you. The last day of class is Friday, August 19th. There will be a break on the week of July 1st to July 7th. Really, since it's an online class, you can take a break or not, but I'll take a break. So let's see. The final exam is on campus. We're scheduling it during the week of August 26th to August 30th. Now, school starts on August 28th, I believe. Anyway, it's the Thursday of that week. So I'm going to try to schedule that exam sometime between the Monday and Wednesday of the first week of class. So most of you should really be on campus at that time anyway. If you cannot make that date, let me know as soon as possible and we will schedule something different. Let's see, homework, quizzes, and exams. To do the homework, it'll be just like a normal class. I'll give you a little handout. It says do these problems from the book. You will write out the homework problems on paper, scan them, and submit them via Moodle to a Dropbox. Same with quizzes. I'll give you a PDF of a quiz. You print it out, mark it up, scan it, send it back, and exams. Okay? There will be 3 quizzes, 1 final exam. Particularly because this is an online class. You will be able to use Maple on some exams, but you must show an appropriate amount of work to go with using Maple. Okay? So for example, if on some problem I say solve a differential equation, you have to show me that you knew how to do the work by hand. You just used Maple to help you with, say, the algebra or something like that. I'm usually very specific about how you can use Maple on any given problem, but especially because this is an online class, you really have to show me that you know how to do the work by hand. You're just using Maple to help you with, say, the algebra. Okay? Homework is assigned on Tuesdays and Fridays. Homework assigned on a Tuesday, it'll be due in a Dropbox on Friday, and homework assigned on a Friday will be due in a Dropbox on Tuesday. Quizzes, they'll be assigned most of the weeks we don't have an exam. If we have an exam, then I usually skip the quiz. Quizzes are assigned on a Friday and due on the following Tuesday, and quizzes are a really good way to gauge what kind of problems I might ask on an exam. Okay, number 7, drop boxes. I think I've already explained that. Okay, number 8, I'd like to correct. In the syllabus, I said no late homework, and I mean that. So we're going with no late homework whatsoever. All right. Number 9, I would prefer to have math-related discussions posted in a discussion forum on Moodle. The discussion forum is up there. There's an example post in the forum. So, it was just something silly. You can create your own posts. I'll be alerted as soon as you make a post, and I'll go ahead and respond. Okay? That way we can keep redundancy to a minimum. One person asks a question, and I can answer for the whole class. Okay, the text for this class is the 4th edition of Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Zill and Wright. That's important. The 5th edition is available, but for the summer term we are using the 4th edition. If you bought your book off of Amazon or something, make sure you have the 4th edition. Okay, number 11 is a sad topic, cheating. Just don't do it. You can go ahead and discuss homework problems with each other, but you certainly should be writing out solutions without referencing any other students' homeworks. Particularly because this is an online class, I'll be very sensitive to any potential cheating. Please give me no reason to suspect that you are copying off of someone else. Okay? Any indication of cheating will result in failing the class. Okay? So, simply do not do it, and we will all be better off. Okay, that's it for this little video. That would end all syllabus type topics.